Hey, Sobi here. Welcome to this My Lead Gen Secret affiliate case study. So this is a case study where I am doing an experiment with a website, a platform called My Lead Gen Secret. The thing about this platform is that you will get about 100 to 200 leads daily, and you will take your 5 minutes and send them an email. So that's what I'm doing. And on 21st June, actually on 19th June, I started. I got my first sale on day number 3. And today is day 16, that is 4th of July. So if you see the date, there it is, 4th of July. So I want to show you that I actually made 2 more sales here. So let me just go and log into my lead gen secret first. And then let me tell you that I actually changed the email structure to promote my lead gen secret itself. And then OLSP, it is a different affiliate offer. All right. So I will log in onto that too. So this is OLSP that I logged in. So first of all, let me just show you the my lead gen secret, right? You can see I am sending emails daily, right? 3727, last 3rd July, 2nd July, 1st July. All right. So let me just go and click on affiliate section here, and you will see for the commissions, you can see 2025 I got Kaigro. This was a new sale that I updated on the last time. That is on update number 1, day 3. And today, this time, I actually got another sale, which is of $5. All right. And if you see all these results, these are recurring, and it has a tiered affiliate structure. And since this program is actually working, people actually stick and people sell it too. So if I go down, you can see with the affiliate program itself, I actually made over $519. And I can actually request a payout. Your request has been sent. We will process your request with high priority. Okay, great. So I requested, so I will believe I get paid within 24 hours. I did before. Okay, so now what I want to show you is click on the downline, and I want to show you click on the upgrade members, and you can see the first one I received was on 19th June, and this was the email of 29th June. So if I go back, so let me just go to statistics here. Okay, and I want to check the 29th June one. So let it load. So if I go down here, I have to find the 29th June, this one. So I got a sale from this email right here, and you can see the type of email that I'm doing right here to actually make money with this system. Okay, and so that's $5 there, and here, and that is a recurring offer, by the way. So I every month, as long as that person sticks, this person sticks here, these two person sticks here, I will make $10 per month in total. Okay, and if they refer someone, I will make $4 for that too. So it's kind of MLME type P, I think, but it's a tiered affiliate structure, and I believe they have talked about all of this right here. And now I need to show you the OLSP results. So as you can see, if I click on notification here, you can see July 3rd, that is yesterday, I made about $7. Okay, and with the OLSP system is like, I'm currently only a Megalink member. That means I paid $7, and now I am able to make a 100% commissions on this. So if I sell OLSP, I make $7, full $7, and there is no recurring charge here. So this is an investment that was worthwhile, and I did this way before. So if I were to show you total commissions, if I click on commission, you will see $207, and you will see like 2023 here. I'm not sure why I did not promote this that much. I didn't really push this that much, but yeah, I just wanted to try something. So the thing with OLSP is, so this person has joined for $7, right? Now this is a whole ecosystem. Okay, even if I am just a $7 member here, I have not purchased any one of like Team Builder or VIP, I am still eligible to make high ticket commissions if that person who purchased from me actually purchases these high ticket offers. Yes, I will make less percentage on that, but that's perfectly fine. So if OLSP works further, then I will consider upgrading and go from there. All right, so for 16 days I got 3 sales in total. Okay, and I made $17. So since this is my first month, and this is just 15 days ago, I paid $30, and it is billed $30 monthly. So after 14 days I will get $30 bill. But if I make $30 here, that is perfectly fine. Why? Because my goal here is to create a pure cash flow, and it's to make more than $30 every month. So it cost me $30. I just need to make $30 every month and have the chance of making recurring plus higher ticket sales. Those $5 sales that you saw, those are recurring sales, right? So it will grow. And with OLSP, if possible, I will make higher ticket sales as well. So let's see how that goes. And I actually also want to show you the group of My Legion Secret and the people who are getting results. So it's not just me. This Facebook group is something that actually motivated me. So if you saw my day first update, like the day I started, you can see that Facebook group actually tempted me to try it again. All right. So if you want to watch it, I will leave the playlist link below. So if I come back to this Facebook group here, right, if I click on new post here, just to see if people are getting results. So we hung here actually got ClickBank sale from an offer called Social Paid. So he made $12 there with ClickBank, right? David Pinto here made $22. This is like 19 hours ago. Yesterday, Hans David posted like he's making regular ClickBank sales with My Legion Secret service. So yeah, people are actually getting results. You can see Matt Hougens, two nice Wednesday sales today. Keep on sending those emails. So he made like 8 and 8, that's $16-17. Ricky Williams here made 12, almost close to $13. So people are getting results, and I think you keep receiving these leads, you will keep sending emails to those leads, and it will only grow. The only thing that you need to do is send emails. So if I go here and click on mailing system, I simply need to come here, right? Select all the leads here, and then enter my subject, and paste my emails, like write my email and click on send. So still there is still 3 hours remaining for me to send send another email today, and then the timer will start like please wait 24 hours before your next mailing, and I need to do it again tomorrow. So literally it's like 5 minutes here. So yeah, if you want to follow me, or you can simply wait for my results like on the next update. But if you want to follow me, if you want to get these emails that I am writing that are getting results, you can simply join MLGS if you want, and even OLSP if you want. But simply you don't really need to. You can go and promote Warrior Plus offers, or you can go and promote ClickBank offers with MLGS. Those works fine. But yeah, I will tell you the email structure that I'm using, how to exactly promote it, how to exactly promote 2 offers in one email and maximize the chance of making a sale. And again, this is not a get rich quick scheme, or you will not be making $1,000 a month. But this is pure cash flow. This gets results. And if you want it, you can join me. If you don't, that's perfectly fine. You can just watch me doing these videos and getting next updates here. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. And that's about it. I will see you in the next update. Cheers.